for the Mexican handstand, you're going to need to set yourself up away from a wall. So I usually measure roughly leg length away from the wall, and then I'll mark that spot, and that'll be where I'm going to kick up from. I'm going to kick up from here, and then my feet are going to touch the wall. Depending on how bendy you are, will depend on how bent your body is. So the kick over like so to the wall, and in this position I'm going to focus on pushing the ground away so traps are nice and tall. I'm also going to pull my belly button in towards my spine and use my butt to lower my legs down the wall. Holding in this position before coming out safely. So if you've never done this before, you might want to be a little bit closer to start off with. The idea of the exercise is to work on the arching of the spine, but I don't need you to do it aggressively. Just do it with whatever your shoulders and back is capable of, and then work that for time. That's your Mexican handstand.